Hello my dear students, good morning everyone. Today we have to discussing about this very important chapter that going on algebraic expressions and identities. So last previous class there's a small mistake over this fourth question inside C1. Small mistake over that when plus in the place of minus like this 2 in the place of don't happen. So like this I repeat this question. How to solve the subtract from variables. So variables is the how to subtract. Small mistake happened. So how to do it? See here. My dear students, here from means this to this now subtract. From 4p square minus 3p cube plus 5p square minus 8p plus 7p minus 10. From 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5p minus 2p square plus 5p square cube is there. So how to solve this here? See, previous class that one is already again small mistake happened. No, I said this already. So from these two, 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5p cube minus 2p square plus 5p square cube subtract means minus bracket. So this one 4p square cube, don't confusion, minus 3p cube plus 5p cube square minus 8p plus 7p. Sorry here again that 8p. So 8 minus 8p plus 7q is there. 7q. 7q. Here also 7q. Minus 10 bracket close. So like this happen. So don't do mistake. So like this happen. Here this first you have to open this bracket. How to bracket open? See as it is. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5p cube minus 2p square plus 5p square cube minus plus minus 4p square cube minus minus plus 3p cube 3p minus minus plus 3p cube minus plus minus 5p cube square minus minus plus 8p minus plus minus 7 cube minus minus plus both side minus is there, keep the minus sign, pq square. So 2 plus 7, 2 plus 5, 7, both side minus is there, minus after adding the number. So pq square. Now plus 5pq plus 3pq. So 8pq. 5 plus 3, 8. pq is there, pq. Minus 3p plus 8p. 8 minus 3 plus 5p. 5 plus a greater number sign, plus sign is there. So both side minus is there, keep the minus sign. 11 plus 7, 18. Q. So this one 18 plus 10, 28. So like this you have to doing the problem, my dear students. Are you understood, my dear students? Yes. So like this small mistake over previous class, in the place of minus is there, plus I written, 2 in the place of I have told you written. So because of don't confusion. Okay. So now are you understood this one? Okay. Now next one concept is the very important concept, that is, see here. Let's play here. So what is there? Multiplying one point is there. Multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Multiplying monomial by a monomial. So like this question is there. So what is the concept is there? A monomial multiplied by a monomial multiplied by a monomial always gives a monomial. Always gives a monomial. This concept is very important, my dear friends. Here, when you multiply monomial to monomial, means what? Only one term and only one term. When you multiply, you get always monomial. Always monomial. How to find out in this one? So next exercise there, 6.2, the exercise monomial to monomial. How to multiply? How to multiply? Different variables also is there, so we have to multiply. Different variables also we have to multiply. But addition and subtraction, different variables, different powers, means unlike the so don't add and don't subtract. Clear it, my dear students? So variable, same variable. Here also same, here also same. We add or subtract. But different variables is there, so don't add and don't subtract. Clear this concept is very important. And multiply and how to divide will come the different variables, means unlike terms. You have to multiply, you have to divide. Will come that multiplication and division. Only sign, two signs is there, multiplication and division. But addition and subtraction inside same variable will come. Means like terms. You have to add or subtract. Okay. Now next, so like going to is very important concept, that is exercise 6.2. So like this one. Yes. Exercise 6.2. This is very important. That is inside. First question is what is there? See. First question is there. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Pairs of monomials. Pairs of monomials. So into P into P into is equal to P into P square into PQ. Like this you have to multiply variables also. So like this is there. Third one minus 4P comma 7PQ. So here how to multiply this one? Minus 4P into 7PQ. Minus into plus minus 4 sevens are 28. P into P square. That Q is there. Only a Q is there? No. A Q is there. We have to write Q. So like this we have to doing the multiply. So multiply the monomial to monomial, my dear students. Now next one is there. Fourth one, what is the C? Fourth one. So like this 4PQ comma minus 3P. I think minus 3P. Yes, minus 3P. So how to multiply this one, my dear students? Here 4PQ is there, here minus 3P is there, base. So 4PQ into the bracket. Why bracket means what? Here minus is there, my dear. Already into is there. Into like this, don't write. Into is there, here minus is there, don't write. Now put the bracket. So minus 3P plus into minus plus 4 is there, plus into minus minus 4 3s are 12. P cube into P to the power of 4. So I have to multiply. So like this I have to multiply the monomial into monomial, my dear students. Next fifth one 40 comma 0 is there. 40 comma 0. So how to multiply this one? Any number with multiply with 0, any variable, any numbers how to multiply? Always 0. You know already. 4P into 0 is equal to 0. 4P is 0 the 0. Answer is 0. Any number with how to multiply, answer will be 0. With variable is there, constant is there, anything is there. This you have to multiply with 0. Always 0. Okay, my dear students. Next question is there. Like this question is there. So it's very important question. This one here, geometrically. See here. Hello, my dear students. Now find the areas. Here also algebra inside that geometry part came. How to multiply? See here. Find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. Lengths and breadths is given. So here length is there, breadth is there. What is the particular area of rectangle? Sulochana. So length is equal to given P and breadth is equal to given Q. Length and breadth. So area of rectangle. So is equal to length into breadth. So is equal to length is what is there? P into then what is there? Q. So P into Q, PQ. This is the answer, my dear students. Nothing inside. So very simple mathematics. Now the second one, Sulochana. So length is equal to 10 m and breadth is equal to 5 m. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So is equal to length is equal to what is there? 10 m into b breadth is equal to what is there? 5 m is equal to 10 5s are 50 m into n mn. My dear students, simple mathematics. Sulochana. Next, third one. So length is equal to 20x square. And breadth is equal to 5y square. So area of rectangle formula, area of area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth is equal to length is there 3 mm into breadth is there 4 np. See here is equal to 3. First constant number you have to multiply. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. M is there here? No M. You have to write M. So n into n square. So p is there p. So like this you have to doing the problem, my dear students. So like this you have to do. Are understood, my dear students? Yes. So like this how to doing this one concept. Yes. Okay. Are you understood, my dear students? Okay. You have to do practice. That is very important. How to multiply and how to find out in the area of rectangle. Okay. So last one I will show the how to table. Table is very important. Hello, my dear students. Here concept is the table. Complete the table of products. Complete the following tables. How to complete the tables here? This is monomial. Like this row, like this row, like this column. We have to multiply this column by one column. So second monomial. This is first monomial. Row first monomial. Second column is the second monomial. So this and this have to multiply. Again this and this multiply. Again this and this multiply. Complete this column, first column. Like this one is second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column. So how to multiply? How to multiply? Here see. First constant number. I said constant number. You see the sign also. So here also plus. Here also 2 2s are 4. X into x, x square over. Now minus into plus. Minus 5 2s are 10. So y is there, here x is there, x into y, xy. So now plus into plus plus 3 2s are 6. X square into x, x cube. X square into x, x cube. Minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8. X into x, x square. So here y is there, here y is there, here y is there, we have to write y. So plus into plus plus. So 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. X square into x, x cube. So y is there, y no. Here write y. So now minus into plus minus 9 2s are 18. So x into x square, x cube. So y square is there, y square. So like this you have to complete the column like this. So second column like this only 2 5s are 10 like this only second column. See, plus into minus minus 2 5s are 10. X into y, xy, right? So minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25. Y into y, y square. So plus into minus minus 3 5s are 15. So x square y, x square y. Are you understood, my dear friends? Yes. Minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20. So x is there, here not x, x we have to write. Y is there, y into y, y square. Am I right? So y square. Now plus into minus minus 7 5s are 35. 35. Here x square is there, here not x, we have to write x square. So y into y, y square. So next minus into minus plus 9 5s are 45. So x square is there, here not x, x square, right? So y square into y, y cube, y cube. So like this you have to multiply monomial to monomial, and that is what is there, column to row, row to column. Like this you have to multiply.